Seine River. The Romans conquered the local fishing tribe and set up camp.
Landmarks, including the Seine River, the Champs-Élysées, and even a jaw-dropping model of the Eiffel Tower.
France. Located just a few miles from the Seine River in the heart of Paris, France, lies the La Santé prison. Upon seeing the
deep with his own hands, and threw all the bands except for the two shown in the Seine River. Truly an unfortunate end for such a creator.
The early morning rowers along the River Seine. And simultaneously, I can show you Notre Dame aglow at night.
Only answer the following regarding the Seine River. First, which body of water does the Seine empty into near Le Havre?
This port. This is where the Seine River meets the English Channel. For over 1,000 years, sailors have enjoyed Honfleur's ideal location.
De la Cité, an island in the middle of the Seine River. The Romans conquered the local fishing tribe and set up camp. Today,